Yo YouTube, greetings, welcome back to my brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get cap breakers in 2K26 fast and for free. You can get all 28 cap breakers using a NBA 2K26 locker code, and the entire process takes about 5 minutes. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and get all cap breakers for free, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm always making updated tutorials for 2K26. Lately, I've been making ones for cap breakers because many of my subscribers have been asking for it. But this method takes a few minutes using a locker code, and it's going to get all 28 cap breakers. Now, not many people know that there are 28. Most people think there's only 20 because that is basically how much you can usually get when you grind the game. But there is a actual working 2K26 locker code that's going to get you all 28 cap breakers. So let's get into a video. What you're going to want to do, guys, is basically to get your 2K26 locker code, I recommend you use your mobile phone. Now, it doesn't matter if you play on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, wherever you play 2K26, just use your mobile to get your code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in-game in the locker codes page. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, I've just typed it in exactly like that, and Cold Coupons is a awesome game code website. Now, if you haven't seen these before, they actually have some codes on here, some different locker codes for NBA 2K26. So you just need to search using the search bar to find this 2K26 locker codes page. As you can see, guys, this is super popular. Some of the top YouTubers actually use this method to get VC and cap breakers, so it's a bit of a cheat code, really. So go ahead and scroll down, and what you're looking for is this cap breakers code. This is going to get all cap breakers for free in NBA 2K26, and this is a simple locker code, guys. So my internet's extremely slow. Okay, there we go, guys. Sorry, I had to just shut down the internet, reboot the internet, restart the system, all of that absolute technology nonsense, and we're back. But anyway, this is basically the code. This is going to get all cap breakers for free in NBA 2K26. So you need to click on this blue button at the bottom that says show full code, and this is going to look for a code and basically allocate you one. So it's going to give you a valid code. You can see this code is valid, so it's found one for you, as it should, because there is a lot. Now, basically, guys, because these are limited, I know there is a lot of them, but it stops people getting more than one of these codes. So you need to unlock your 2K26 cap breakers code. So to do that, you've got to click on get full code, and it's going to bring up this page here that basically tells you what to do to get your code. Long story short, guys, you've just got to complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to get your code from Cold Coupons. So these take about 5 minutes. Like I said, I did this earlier, and it's pretty simple. You just got to complete 2 of the tasks here. They're all completely free, and they're simple things like playing mobile games, installing mobile applications. Basically, this verifies you as a real person and not a robot. So if you're a robot, you're going to get caught out. But yeah, basically this one, for an example, download and complete level 13 to unlock. So basically you click on it, it'll take you to the App Store. This is a mobile game where you just basically play it until level 13, and that one will be checked off, and then you just choose another one. They're all pretty easy. And once you do that, it will redirect you to Cold Coupons, and your 2K26 full locker code will be revealed. And you simply go ahead and redeem it in game, and that is going to get you all 28 cap breakers, guys. So that is by far the fastest method to get all cap breakers in 2K26, and this is working right now as of March 2026. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you follow all of the instructions. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or slip in my DMs, especially if you're female, slip in my DMs. And I'll help you out for sure. So anyway, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.